Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna jump right into this video, aka I'm filming this intro after I filmed like the whole hour's worth of footage and my SD card is about to be donezo. So you're in luck today. I think I'm just gonna cut to this look starting now. Okay, so as you can see, I already started off with foundation and eyebrows, and I'm just moving into priming my lids with Urban Decay's primer potion to prep them for all the blue eyeshadow and clouds we're about to slap on there. And then going into a NYX Vivid Brights cream eyeshadow, this is the shade Blueprint. Just go ahead and start by laying that down all over the base of your eyelid. Next, we're going to take another NYX cream shadow in a shade that I absolutely do not know how to pronounce, but I'll link it down below. Just go ahead and start blending out that initial dark blue shade with the lighter blue shade. And then to help speed up the blending process, I took this light blue shimmery eyeshadow from the James Charles X Morphe palette to help blend out, and then deepening up the look, I'm taking the dark blue underneath of the shimmery blue from the James Charles palette, and I'm just kind of adding some more dimension to the initial blue shade on the lid.
Choke you down just like a pill.
And I was going really crazy in the NYX aisle at Ulta, so I grabbed another NYX white cream eyeshadow, and I'm popping it on my brow bone for that highlight. And then you'll also see me slap it on my inner corner, just to open up the eyes a little bit more. And this product is vital to the look. This is a ColourPop white concealer, and this is what I'm going to be making my clouds out of today with a really fine, small brush, and then a flat shader, small shader brush to blend them out at the bottom edges. And don't worry, you don't have to be precise. Your cloud does not have to be perfect looking. Clouds aren't perfect, so literally just draw them on however you desire to have them. If you mess up, it's gonna be cute no matter what, as long as you blend the bottom down, like the white down into the blue. It's gonna be cute, girl, so don't even worry. And then what I'm about to do here is optional depending on if you liked winged liner or not, but I'm just making my clouds resemble a winged liner. And as you can tell, I kind of made all the clouds up top go in the shape of that winged liner that I'm creating right now. But have fun with it. You can do whatever you want to. You can literally place your clouds wherever. I just liked the way they kind of looked semi-symmetrically symmetric on my eyes. So it's up to you.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then.
And then to spice things up a little bit, I decided to grab a white glitter from NYX as well. And so I'm just taking my lash glue, slapping it on top of the white cloud, and then pressing my white glitter on top of the cloud, and it's really pretty easy. You can put the glitter, I was debating putting the glitter on the blue surface or on the white, but I decided to go for the white cloud look. But I feel like the glitter would also be pretty if you focused it on the blue parts, like if the sky was sparkling and not the clouds. But I don't know, try out whatever you want to try out. I think either one would be really cute. The rest of this eye look is pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, I'm just smoking out the underneath with the blue shadow from the James Charles palette, and then I'm using a white NYX liner to pop my eyes open a bit. Whoa, hi there. I'm back with a bunch of lashes on. I decided to use my Lively Lashes in Angel Wings. I thought it was really pretty fitting for this look. And if you want to sport these lashes as well, use code Olivia20 and I will link Lively Lashes website down below and Instagram. And then just follow up with some bronzer, how you would normally bronze and chisel out that face. And then I'm going in with a nose contour, and I kind of went for like a really tiny snatched nose contour on this particular day, and I love the way it turned out. It looked so snatched. And for my blush, I'm using this really pink Benefit blush that is literally so old they don't even make it anymore. So whether or not I should use it on my face is highly debatable. Probably not. It smells fine. It's kind of fruity scented. I might recommend it for yourself. And then I'm going into this Becca highlighter that's an Ulta exclusive, and it's in the shade Lilac Geode, and I'm just putting it on super heavy handed. And with another heavy hand, I'm going to go into this Revolution palette and take the lilac type shade and just add a little extra glow on top of where I already have glow. And then down the nose, the cupid's bow, the brow bone, obviously all the high points. I just want to look dewy and wet with this look. And then the way I'm going to be applying this lipstick is sort of more on the editorial side, so do with it what you will. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it, but I'm laying it down in the center of my lip and then taking a fluffy, clean brush and blending it out so I kind of make my lines of my lips disappear. And then I'm also taking a darker pink and slapping it in the middle and then just adding a gloss and just making sure everything is blended out so it kind of makes my lip lines disappear. Alright guys, that is the finished look. I hope you're inspired to try something like this out. If not, follow this tutorial or try your own spin off of this, add your own little creative touch to this look. If you want to try it out, I would love it if you DM'd me pictures of the cloud look. I mean, I didn't invent the cloud look, obviously, but if you do follow this tutorial, my rendition of the cloud makeup, I would love it if you guys DM'd me pictures or Snapchatted me if we're friends personally or whatever. This lip look where I kind of like smeared all around my lips kind of looks like I either like made out for like hours on end, got punched in the mouth, or like just got fresh filler, but all of those are kind of plausible except for one of them. Yeah, this look is more of like an editorial type. I mean, it's still kind of Instagram-y just because
you can't escape the lashes and the brows for me.
I've been really into trying more like artsy looks lately, just because I'm kind of getting sick and tired of just my normal like Instagram makeup. But obviously I can't escape like having my Insta lashes and Insta brows. Maybe I'll venture away from those at some point in time, but I really like them for now. I really am into this eye look. And let me know if you guys like my colored contacts. I just picked them up today and I am super digging them, like super. Wow, it just pulled the whole look together. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video, what videos you want to see in the future. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification if you want to be notified every single time I post a video, just because I post irregularly right now. I'm trying to get better at that, but my personal schedule is like ever changing, so I will let you know in the future if I'm going to start posting regularly. Just turn on your post notifications so you know when I do post. I'm super excited to let you guys know that I'm starting cosmetology school next week. I'm gonna start accepting clients October 17th, so if you're in the area and you want to be booked for anything beauty related, be sure to DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna link down my beauty page in the description below. It's Olivia Lynn Beauty. That's my new hair and Kazi page. I'm just gonna give myself that little promo moment here just because why not? But I did just rebrand my YouTube channel. It's no longer Liv's Life. It's now Olivia Lynn Beauty, just so it matches my cosmetology Instagram page and I can just have one solid brand. I don't make money, but brand, you know. Yeah, I'm just really super excited. Make sure to subscribe and book your appointments at Capitol with me for October 17th or beyond. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video, or maybe in my chair. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.